Hello guys, I hope that everyone very grateful living life, and I know that you are a very struggle for your English practice, but I think that this is not enough your effective speaking English, because a lot of times given to you by the practice. The practice is the very important all of you. Without practicing, you cannot improve your English language. So I can saying all of you, please today you making a determination and everyday practice with me, because I am a normal person, not a teacher. I am not a teacher, I am not a doctor, I am not an engineer. Only for a person I am doing the job, and I learn to the English. Same too, I want that all of you learn to the English with me, and as far as I am learning to the English easy type, same all of you, I want all of you learn to the English very easy and the slowly. Only for every day you can practice. I know about this. Speaking is a very easy. Only for focus and your mind, accept you speak in English every day. Every day practice. Try again to again. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Every time you can only for focus and the practice. Your mind accept and your memory open. Every day listening the videos, watching the videos, and every day 1 or 2 lecture listening you. Only for I am discussing this topic, you can speak in English. You can speak fluency. The fluency is the very normal. You can speak very slowly. Start now. Let's get start today. Now just get start today, and you are reading, writing and listening every day. No any problems. You are easily talking English. No any problems. So somewhat meanings remember you, and 1 or 2 page reading to the book every day. So I suggest to you everyone, every day please watch the English speaking, listen carefully and accept in your minds, and open your eye and open your ears. Then you are a great speaking English after some days. Only for 1 or 2 months you are learning every day and the practicing every day. You can speak slowly and the comfortable feel you. That day you can speak in English very comfortable, all of you. So I suggest our with me, everyone, everyday practice and watching my videos, and how can feel. I want that I support all of you. जैसे मैंने इंग्लिश सीखा, I want that आप लोग भी अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें. काफ़ी धीरे स्लोली प्रैक्टिस करके आप भी अंग्रेजी सीख सकते हैं और बोल सकते हैं. इसमें कोई डरने की बात नहीं है, केवल आपको रोज प्रैक्टिस करना. एवरी डे यू ऑल ऑफ यू practice and any words comes your minds every day only for practicing without any hesitation. बिना किसी हेजिटेशन के आप स्पीकिंग फ्लुएंसी खुलकर बोल सकते हैं. एनी पर्सन कम स्टैंड टू यू एंड you practicing. How can practicing? You wise your camera, mobile camera or mirror every day, and some voice recording, and then after then your voice recording and your video self look the and your less points away and good points learn to you and the fluency. Then your confidence comes and likely and very beautiful, and imagine you can speak in English 100% guarantee, 100% guarantee. Because before I am not proper speaking English, but in this time no any problem. I am very happily and very easy talking all of you. In this time any person comes and I am comfortable talking him without any problems. So more every day, but practice is the important. Not any problem, but practice is the very important. Practice listening and the reading, writing every day. No any problem. Every day your habit is the very important. You are 1 hour reading at your home. 1 hour reading at home, morning time and the evening time, and 10 or 15 minutes every day only. If you interested speak in English, then you can speak on the everyday practice. Starting time very difficult feel you. Starting time very difficult all of you, but you believe me, I say that guarantee, I given the guarantee, you only 1 week practice and some word meanings remember every day. Main word meanings every day use, daily use word meanings remembering, and you can comfortable feel and speak easy for speak in English. So I hope that all of you can real my videos, no any fake videos. I am original videos. I am making original videos and I speak in English without any hesitation. I want as for the listening and how can I speak in English, about this knowledge I share all of you, then so that all of learn to the English. English subject is a very better subject and very good subject and very interesting subject. This subject and this language is very good, because in this time, in future time, come to the future times, very demand to the English, because English word is a all word windows. All word विंडोज, यह एक ऐसी आईना है जिससे, या ऐसी खिड़की है जिससे हम पूरा विश्व देख सकते हैं. और आई मीन्स दैट यू कैन गो इन ऑल वर्ड्स, एंड इफ यू नॉलेज टू द स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, फ्लुएंसी इन इंग्लिश, नो एनी प्रॉब्लम, you can living here any country go you and no any problems and simply living there. Absolutely right, 100% right, and the truthful guarantee. You are not a confused. I am any word use the lie. No, I am not any words lying, only for truthful word use, and you can 100% learn to the English, speak to the English. So today start practice and confidential speak in English in your future. Thank you for all of you. Thank you and watching my videos, and please you're given the comments, like, subscribe. Please, thank you, all of you. Good evening. Bye bye.